So we're going to teach you how to make mimosas. Firstly, you have to get some champagne. We prefer the cheapest one Walmart sells. And we've got the Simply Orange blend. This is actually a Coca-Cola product, so yes, we are supporting the man. You get 2 skinny glasses like this, preferably clean ones. We do not clean these. Here we go, his and hers. Now we get to peel this off. This is a sparkling wine. This is called that because it's the good stuff.
Everybody say cheese.
Come on. Here we go.
Ready
for this? Woo! So we're going to start by pouring. We'll start on hers. Be a gentleman. Alright, yep, that's how you pour it. Okay. And we'll start on his. No, I'm just joking. Half a bottle. Generally, my experience of buying these, it's always been the carafe, the full bottle, and some crappy OJ. We sprung for the decent stuff. Shake it up. My significant other does not like pulp, so we got the non-pulp blend. Nice little splash of the OJ. And that's it. Thanks for joining me on the cooking adventures. Today you learned how to make a mimosa, popular for Sunday brunches. You're welcome.